Diecast family, what is up? So guys, I've been waiting on this package for damn near a month. And they finally got here. You know, I was telling you guys I do a lot of ordering through AliExpress. Sometimes it fucks up and sometimes it goes smooth. And so this one was not good, but not bad. And also, you guys seen the conditions that they send these their products in. I guess it depends on who you're buying it from. So we're gonna take a look at what I purchased, and it's called CCA, which is for Cool Chick Auto. So let's take this box down. I don't know. This box is all beat up, man. It's so sad when you buy stuff from China. The conditions it comes. Like they take no pride in what they shipping out. Like the cards are all pretty much damaged. I don't know if it's them or if it's the carrier or whoever it is. They are jacking up these cards. I mean, and then plus it don't help that they don't put any protection in there to make sure that the cards and everything, cars or anything don't be damaged. But that's the price you pay. So guys, this first piece, as you guys can see, these are their premium edition diecast model cars, 1/64 scale, and it is Metal Speed Zone, MSZ. And if you guys see down there, there's a working suspension. Oh my God. And free wheels. So I mean that they're not a pullback. And most of these cars, believe it or not, are licensed. So let's crack it open. Oh my God. My wife has fun with me when I can't see certain things. So she could have her moment. So let's see if we can get up close, guys. About right there. I mean, it has some detail. I mean, is it the best? No. But they're pretty cool. As you guys can see, front detail. You can see the badging. The wheel's not too bad. That's the base. And these all screw in. I mean, you can take them, change the wheel if you choose to. I might try one and change the wheel on it. I mean, you can't knock them. They're pretty cool casting. And the scale on this one is 170. So next, guys, we got the 2018 Ford Mustang. And this scale is supposed to be 164. There she is. And y'all have the working suspension. Pretty decent. I mean, the cars are pretty cool. There's no argument there. They're just, they're cheaper version. They have more detail than Hot Wheels, but at a cheaper price. But this is what they consider their premium cars. But overall, they're pretty cool. Next, guys, we have the Ford GT40. Oh, I guess this Ford GT 2017. They could have at least chromed out the tailpipes. That'd have been cool. Again, I don't expect losing my voice. I don't expect a whole lot from this brand. But they are nice cars. Okay, next, guys, we got the Toyota GR Celica. And this scale on this one is 158. But tampos, headlights. Like I said, nothing to run home to. And you definitely ain't gonna break the bank buying these. Next, guys, we have 2013 Chevy Camaro SS. It's pretty nice. Check it out. The Chevy badging. The tail lights are done. So how's your plants?
Well, I replanted 2 of them. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, I put 2 more sticky things up. We're already bug on it. Maybe somebody will see them and spread the word.
So the next one, guys, is the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. It's too bad these cars don't have any opening parts. That would be awesome. Because these are nice model cars. I was talking with the wife about her plants. She's doing a lot of succulents, cactus and stuff like that. And so she's pretty good at it, I have to admit. I don't have a green thumb, but she's into it. And it's like, I bought they have these heads. These are planters, but they're made in the shape of actual female heads. And I thought they were pretty cool. So I don't know nothing about plants, but there were some of the ones with the heads. You can put certain kind of plants in it, and once they grow, they look like they have actual hair. So she's been working on that, doing her plant thing while I do my car thing. So guys, next one is Toyota Corolla. You know, the wheels remind me of Matchbox wheels. You know how they are? They have like the treads on the side. So I do have some wheels that I may try to put on here. I'm not sure what wheels will work for this. Since you can unscrew it. These are real riders. Yeah, I think these will work. I think I'm going to do a wheel swap on one of them. Don't know which one yet. Okay guys, next we have the Audi RS5. It's pretty much all the same wheels. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So which car would I do the wheel swap on? Would it be the Camaro or the Mustang? Or even the Toyota. All right. Yeah, I think that wheel will go great. So next, guys, we have the Volkswagen T1, and the scale on this one is 156. I like the idea that they make them hard to come out of the package. But again, wish the hatch open on this. That would be cool. The windshield wipers. Okay guys, last one. It's the Toyota Land Cruiser Pardo. Pretty cool. There's the badging. Again, the tempo lights. All interiors are all black. Suspension. So that is the last one. So guys, I'm gonna come back at you with surprise on which casting I do a wheel swap on. Hi guys, be back with you shortly.